Going on today, guys? Today's video is sponsored to you by AUXITO. You can check out their websites. They got plenty of LED lights, all the bulbs and accessories you need for your vehicle, and very good quality too. As you can see, the package, how the package it come, wrapped in plastic. It's nice, heavy, and sturdy. Today we're going to be installing these 9006 LED bulbs. If you look on the back, color temperature is 6000K. All the information you need. It even checks out the mark that you need on the box. See that 9006/HB4s. Today we're going to be installing these on a 1999 Chevy Suburban, which we're going to be removing these two right here with the impact wrench. See that close in? You need a 5mm to take these off. I know this one you probably can do from the back side without removing it, but on the passenger side, it has a, you look in the back of it, has a horn back there. So it'll be easier just to remove these two right here with the 5mm and pull the headlight out and pop those in. But let me get this box open to show you guys the product. All right, guys, now this is what I'm talking about quality. You can't get no high quality than this. You can't get more high quality than this. See this right here? Come with gloves to install it, which I'm not gonna use, but I'm just letting you know it come with gloves. Come with the manual, and these is the bulbs right here. Nice heavy duty bulbs. Come with a fan too for the cooling, and just nice quality overall. Can't beat this quality. So yeah, let me pop this headlight out, and then we're gonna get to installing these. Again, guys, if you want any of their products, you can go on their website. I'm gonna have everything in the description and the link below, and you can check it out there. I'm also gonna give you a code to use for a discount. So let's get to it. All right, guys, first you just want to move these. All right, get it up there, sit that to the side. Sit that to the side. All right, guys, this is pops out. You got to wiggle it, make sure it don't get hung up on the clip, and voila, you got two bulbs right here. This is the 9005, which is the low beams, and that's the 9006, this is 9005, which is the high beams. 9006, and that's the low beams. So we're gonna I'm gonna try to get some replace my high beams at a later date too, but yeah, we're gonna get to installing this. All right, guys, it's just simple. You just want to unclip this. Try to do this with one hand. See, that's pretty much easy to do. Most LEDs come with balance beams and everything, but everything built in right here. So all you have to do is put this in here, plug it in, and everything's good to go. No access stuff to push back and worry about fitting behind the headlight housing. They got all that covered for you. So let me twist this out. Pop that out. And we're gonna basically, when you put this bulb in, you don't want it facing this way. You want to try to face it sideways because of the reflectors, the housing in the inside of the reflectors. It'll reflect better, more off the housing. So you want to try to get it in. When you twist and lock it in, you want to try to get it in this way. So let's see. If I can do this with one hand. I might have to put the camera down. There we go. Hold on. All right, let me sit this camera down for 1 second. All right, guys, I just had to put it down, twist it up in there, and that's the way you want them facing on here. Like I said, you don't want it flat up and down. You want the reflectors facing out the side, so it'll reflect better off the housing material that's in the inside, and it'll shine better on the road. All right, so we're gonna plug this in, and I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna do a side by side. I'm not gonna change the other side yet. I'm gonna show you the difference between the two bulbs. All right, guys, it's the daytime here, and I don't know if you can see that on camera, but look at that total big difference. How bright that light is. I know I need some new headlight lenses, but I'm gonna get that a later date. And look how yellow that is. See that? Super bright. And I'm also gonna do a nighttime view of them. Big night and day difference. Yep. And like I said, you cannot beat the quality. I don't know, well, at least I don't know any of other products that come out there that come with the gloves. I mean, you can feel it in the packages. Not only do they got the box, they got it packed in a foam, and they got it wrapped tight in the plastic for you. I say this is good quality all around. You can't beat it, you know. And I'm not just saying this because they sponsor me. I used their products in the past, and I haven't never had any problem out of it. Never. So guys, I highly recommend that you get on AUXITO.com and check out their products. I'm gonna leave everything in the link below in the description, and I'm also gonna post up a video with the coupon code and everything like that. So yeah, like I said, you want quality, you cannot beat this quality. This will be a good purchase. And like I said, I'm gonna give you a coupon code, my coupon code, so you get a nice little discount. And like I said, never really had a problem with these products in the past. So, and then they decided to send me these for a review too. And you know, guys, I'm gonna give an honest review. If I like them, I like them. If I don't, I don't. I'm just gonna tell the truth about them. And for those who know, who ordered lights before off of eBay, off of Amazon, you know, I mean, quality is everything. And this says a lot about them. They put gloves in the box, you know. And I mean, if you could just feel the weight in the box, how everything quality. Sometimes you can tell a lot by the packaging and stuff like that. And they got excellent customer service. I mean, you have any problem with shipping, I mean, they respond right away. Every email I email them, or I need this, or do y'all have this in stocks, or what's your recommendation on this? You know, and hey, they right on it. So don't forget to check out their website. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description, and catch you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next video later. All right, guys, this is the video. Nighttime of the 9006, the LED lights. All right, now you see it's off. Let me hit the switch to turn them on. Man, that's like a big difference. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it when you get out, like aiming it dead at them, but it's like a glare. Let me see. Those are super bright. They way bright. And then I honestly need to change the headlight, the headlight housing, the plastic, because they all scuffed up, but it still look good. See that? It's kind of bright, so I ain't gonna even get in front of them because I know you're gonna see it, but you see the difference from earlier. That's like super bright. See that? Yeah, the factory one was yellow, but you can see the total difference. And remember, if you guys want to check them LED headlights out, just go to the link that I got in the description. I'm gonna put up in this video too. AUXITO.com. Check out the headlights. So yeah, catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.